Hello, this is a short video I would like to share with you. I'm in the middle of repairing my old speakers. Apparently, if your ground wire, which is coming inside your amplifier, is loose inside, it can make a very loud tone and destroy your tweeter speakers. So I have learned something new. So this homemade amplifier is now alright. It's VHS compatible, it's not Betamax. And this is what has happened. This ground point was loose, and so the amplifiers hasn't been grounded, and it made a noise with a high amplitude and fried the speakers. And I would like to take a look on the speaker I had and the new one. This is very interesting. It seems it has the same dimensions. I have already changed one speaker and it's working perfectly. Here you can see the difference. And these speakers are very magnetic, so I have to be careful. And this is the one destroyed. This one is new. It's new, but it's old. These speakers were produced by a company called Tesla. Please don't mix this with Tesla motors. It's not okay. This is the Czech company which made a lot of electronics back in the good days. And this is what has come here to me. It's some German ripoff, I don't know. If you put anything of this to the Google, you will find many answers, but not for this speaker. So I have absolutely no idea what this is. And here you can see how the speakers are influencing each other. These magnets, of course, are not neodymium, but they are pretty strong. So this will be one quick look inside the speakers. According to the internet, there are some replaceable parts inside, so let's look inside. And it's starting moving. Okay. And I could maybe take something made from plastic, so I don't destroy the membrane. Okay, I have found something from plastic. So the input wires are connected to these two terminals, and this should slide out. And something's not going away. Okay, I have destroyed it. I can see the wire coming from the membrane. Wow, some wool. So if this speaker wouldn't be so fried, then I could probably keep this magnet and just change the membrane. I try to focus on the wire. It's really small. Yeah, the good days are over. Okay, I think this is enough. This magnet will go to my fridge, maybe. And yes, I can smell the fried wires, so this speaker was completely dead. Also, if you do like this short few minutes video, let me know under the video, thanks. And now they are working like a new. Perfect.